What's going on, guys? Kaiser here from keyserreveal, and today we'll be taking a look at an affordable electric standing desk by FlexiSpot. Now, the guys over at FlexiSpot did send this out to me for review, but as always, I'll be giving you my unbiased opinion. With that said, let's get to it. This is a 55-inch electric standing desk by FlexiSpot. Now, this desk is designed for those of us who sit for long periods at a time. It allows you to stand and get your blood circulating and possibly eliminate leg and back pain, all while continuing to work. Now, this desk comes with a frame and desktop. The desktop is 55 inches in width, 30 inches in depth, and 1 inch thick. Also included is a steel frame that can be adjusted to fit desktops 39.3 to 63 inches in width and support up to 154 pounds. Attached to the frame is a motor that's used to raise and lower the desk between 27.9 to 47.6 inches in height. Now, a couple of things that I like about this motor is that it ramps down a bit before it stops. The other thing that I like is that it's really quiet. It comes in at just under 50 decibels. Up front, you have a control panel that displays the desk height, 3 customizable height presets along with a memory button, and a programmable sit and stand alarm. Setting up the custom height presets is straightforward. Simply raise or lower the desk to the desired height, press the memory button, select the button that you want to apply the current height to, and that's it. Now when you select preset 1, it'll automatically adjust to 41.3 inches. Another cool feature that this desk includes is a sit and stand alarm system. This system allows you to set a timer that would alert you to change positions once you've been sitting or standing for a period of time. To do this, click the alert button, then use the arrow buttons to select when you want the alarm to alert you. Select alert again to confirm your settings, and that's it. Now once the counter reaches 0, you'll hear an audible alert. Overall, this is a solid desk and reasonably priced. Now, if you pick this up on Amazon, it's going to cost you about $379 bucks. And the only choices you have for customizing it is the frame color, black or gray. Now, if $379 is a bit steep, you do have the option of choosing the basic version at $299. However, with this version, you don't get the 3 customizable presets, the LED display, or alert system. Now, if you pick this up on FlexiSpot's website, it is a bit cheaper at $339, and you get the option to choose between a variety of sizes, desktops, and frame colors. But I'll leave a link to both just in case you guys want to check this desk out. And as always, if you guys enjoyed this content, be sure to hit that like button and definitely subscribe. So until next time, peace.